Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron. Excuse me. Today I'm going to show you some tricks on getting your media to the timeline quicker. You can obviously just drag and drop, but there's a faster way. Put your cursor where you want your clip, audio clip, video clip to end up. So in Patreon, we want this first. Double click it. There it is. Then we want the actual tutorial right there. Double click. It's there. It's a video track. I want my my lower third and the subscribe, the MOVs. So place it over top of the clip where you want it to land. Double click. It's right at the end. Double click. And what you can do to make these all, once you edit these, like listen to them and trim them back where we have to go. The fastest way to get this all to line up is right click and select close gaps. Now if this doesn't work, try again. Right click, close gaps. Now, if you use the D, press the D key on your keyboard, it cycles through a number of options. So right here is your normal cursor. Here's what we want. So drag all of this, switch back to the, drag all of this, switch back to just the cursor, and move to the front. So just some tips on your editing. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.